Hi guys, welcome to my channel Beauty Made Easy. In this video, I'm going to make coffee facial at home. This facial brightens the skin instantly after doing the facial for the first time itself. Coffee moisturizes the skin, eliminates blackheads and whiteheads, lightens dark spots and removes tan. Coffee facial is very easy to make and cost effective. This facial is great for people who want to have clear and glowing skin. Without any further delay, let's jump into the video. But before that, do subscribe to my channel to get updated on all my 100% natural home remedies. Subscription is absolutely free. For the first step, we are making a skin cleanser. For this, I have taken 2 tablespoons of unboiled milk. To this, add 1 tablespoon of coffee powder and mix well. I am using brew coffee. You can use any unflavored coffee powder of your choice. Dip a cotton ball into the solution and rub your face for 3 minutes in circular motions. Before starting the facial, make sure that your hair are tied up and your face is free from makeup. This step will remove dirt, oil and clean the skin. Milk will help to reduce pigmentation, heal dry skin, hydrates the skin, heal acne and relieve sunburn. After 3 minutes, wash your face with normal water. Second step will be scrubbing. For this, I have taken 1 tablespoon of oats. To this, add 2 tablespoons of curd and 1 tablespoon of coffee powder. Mix the ingredients to get a smooth paste. Apply the mixture on your face and rub it for 2 minutes gently in small circular motions. Do not scrub on the pimple-prone areas. If your face is fully affected by pimples, you can apply this only on nose and chin. Do not use on pimples. Coffee by itself has natural beads which will remove blackheads and whiteheads. Curd soothes the skin from irritation and oats powder removes tan and brightens the skin. After scrubbing for 2 minutes, wash your face with normal water. For the third step, we are making brightening, tan removal and even complexion face pack. For this, I have taken sandalwood powder and basin. To 1 tablespoon of basin, I am adding half a tablespoon of coffee powder and half a tablespoon of sandalwood powder. Add some water to make the paste thick in consistency. Mix well. Keep adding water until you get the desired consistency. When you are done, apply this paste on your face and neck, avoiding the eye area, and let it rest for 20 minutes. Sandalwood brightens and clears the skin. Basin exfoliates the blackheads and whiteheads. Coffee improves the skin's health and makes it glow. Wash your face with normal water. My skin looks brightened and even toned just after doing the facial for the first time. For the last and final step, we are making eye mask to remove dark circles. For this, you will need coffee powder and honey. Add half a tablespoon of coffee powder and half a tablespoon of honey. Mix well. Apply this around your eyes and let it sit for 15 minutes. Then wash it off with plain water. Doing this step regularly lightens the dark circles, reduces puffiness and wrinkles around the eyes. Coffee brightens the under eye area and honey moisturizes skin around eyes. You will not need eye cream if you follow this step regularly. Do try this coffee facial at home, which moisturizes the skin, eliminates blackheads and whiteheads, lightens dark spots and removes tan. If you like this video, do share it with your friends and family. Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.